I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and I'm here with my sidekick, Cindy.
I'm over here.
She's over there. I'm over here. And today we're making a cocktail called the Cucumber Cooler.
Ooh.
So, yes.
Nice.
This is such a great drink, perfect for the summertime. We're using a gin, the Midsummer Solstice, which is a small batch of limited edition Hendrick's gin.
Whoa, that means when it's gone, it's gone.
Send more gin! Now, if you're on the fence about whether or not a cucumber goes in a drink, you have to try this cocktail. Very refreshing. All right, so.
I have the cucumber.
Awesome. So first thing is first, we are going to start with our gin. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of the Hendrick's gin.
I can't smell anything.
Then I'm gonna do an ounce of cucumber juice. So I actually juiced this ahead of time. I am not muddling it with the skins. That gives it a bitter flavor, but I literally juiced the cucumbers after I peeled it. So I'm gonna do an ounce of the cucumber juice. Yeah, it's a very nice little green. So I'm doing an ounce of simple syrup. And then we're gonna do some lemon and lime.
How many do you need?
I need 1 lemon.
Welcome to my produce station. 1 lemon for you.
Thank you. Ooh, that's a juicy lemon.
You're welcome.
So I'm gonna do half a lemon. And then half a lime.
Fine.
Thank you.
This is fun.
There you go. Squeeze all those juices out. There we go. All right, now we're gonna add ice and shake.
Ice and shake. This is my shaking look.
There we go. All right. Now I need a glass,
Oh,
please.
I was playing with my cucumbers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alrighty, so I'm just gonna put some ice in the glass. There we go. And I'm gonna strain my drink into my glass if I could get a strainer.
This is real time right here. Look
There
at that.
we go. Thank you.
At some point, she's gonna need this cucumber.
Here we go.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That is really pretty. Now I'm gonna garnish with some cucumbers.
Told you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Good job, yours done.
I'm gonna do some cucumber slices and just tuck them in there. A little extra cucumber flavor.
I've been pretty spot on all day.
I know. Little straw.
I don't even have to taste it and I approve. I love cucumber.
The cucumber cooler is refreshing and tasty. Queen Bee approved.
Let's celebrate summer!